Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the number one mistake that I see so many coaches doing that is hurting sales, that is hurting their marketing, that's hurting their delivery, that's hurting every single aspect of their coaching business. And we're going to dive deep into this today to figure out how you guys can go ahead and adjust this. So without further ado, it's going to be a mix of me looking back and forth with you and then jumping on my computer here on the side. So we're going to go ahead and come here over to my computer screen. And I want to just quickly bring it to you guys. And what is this? I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Let's see. Let's get this up to 60 so you guys can see, and also you can just zoom in. Okay. And the number one thing that so many coaches are failing to do, and that is understanding their ideal client. Now, you may be wondering, okay, what does understanding their ideal client mean? I know who my ideal client is. I know what they want. So here's the thing. There's a difference, and I'm going to actually bring it back to just us back and forth here. Look, guys, there's a difference between knowing who your ideal client is and some of the stuff and truly understanding your ideal client. Now, why is this so important when starting a coaching business, or I should say starting a coaching business or looking to scale your coaching business? Now, especially I'll go for first the fact of starting a coaching business. When you're doing that, rather than just, this is going to be a great idea, everyone's going to love it. Look, go talk to your ideal clients. You may think that it's a great idea. Ultimately, if the ideal client, the person you're looking to sell it, doesn't think it's valuable, then they're not going to buy it, right? Value is always determined by the buyer. So first things first, whenever you're looking to go ahead and start some sort of coaching program, you need to go get validation. And what does that validation mean? That means go and actually talk to your ideal client. So first of all, identify who is your ideal client, who is going to buy said product or service from you. Then once you do that, then go actually talk to them, understand, and don't bias it. Don't try to make it so it's something you want to hear. Otherwise, you're just going to set yourself up for failure later down the road. Go ahead, set up times to where you can actually speak with these people and in an unbiased fashion, speak to them and understand what are their problems, what are they facing, and how can what you have to offer to them help them solve and get to that next step. And the same thing stands for a coach, whether you're doing 5K a month, 10K a month, 30K, 40K, 50K. It's one of the most important things that you can do. And obviously, if you're doing 50K a month, you know a thing or two. When it comes to having these conversations with your ideal client and really understanding them at a deep level, it will help with your marketing. You'll understand how to go ahead and adjust your marketing message. You'll understand how to better pitch on a sales call. You'll be able to better understand how to overall craft your product and offer to go ahead and make it something that in their eyes, they deem to be valuable. Because ultimately, when you're selling something to someone, what are you doing? You're solving their problem. And ultimately, if they do not see this as a problem or do not understand that even though they're telling you want to get here and you have the insight, you have the understanding that in order to get here, they're right here, that they have to go over here, then go here, and then they eventually get to up here. The thing is though, is that they may think it's just simple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. And within this, make sure you understand this correctly. You have to sell people what they want and give them what they need. Now, what does that mean? That means if a person's saying, hey, I want to get here, absolutely, we're going to sell them what they want that they're going to get here. And obviously, we want to make sure that they're capable and they're willing to go ahead and take the actions needed within the path, but we need to go ahead and give them the path that's going to get them to be successful within that. So how does this all tie together to knowing and understanding your ideal customer? Because you may perceive things to be a certain way. You may have already been in the space for X number of time. And maybe the problems, because oftentimes people that coach are people that previously had some sort of problem, or they're looking to help other people overcome that. You may perceive to be a certain way, but they see it completely differently.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's Chris. A lot of you leave comments and send DMs to me telling me that you need help. Do me a favor. I'm going to tell you the best way to get a hold of me. Shoot me a text message right now at 949-990-5808. Once again, that's 949-990-5808. I'll help you with whatever you guys need. I got your back. Let's get back to the video.
So within that, we're going to go ahead and hop back real quick here on the computer screen. Okay, so understanding your ideal client is one of the most important things that you're going to do, okay? Now, you're going to ask, when you're understanding your ideal client, what is this going to help, right? Number one, it's going to help with just overall product sales, right? When you're doing this, people are actually going to resonate more. They're going to want to work more with you, so on and so forth. Number two, it's going to come when it comes to marketing, specifically when it comes to lead gen. And on lead gen, it also means lower cost per purchase. everything like that. I don't want to do this. I'm getting all over the place, aren't I? Right? Lower cost per lead. We'll say that and everything. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger, and then I think I'm going to this. You're getting all excited with me today, aren't you? Boom. Okay. Awesome. Not working, but you guys get the point. Overall product sales is understanding your ideal client, what it's going to do. Marketing, okay? It's going to also help you when it comes to delivery, right? How can you better give people what they need to go ahead and get to where they want to be? So when you do these and you understand your ideal client, you're able to improve on these things. And obviously there's other things as well that can help. This is one of the most important things, okay? Now you may be asking, how in the world do I do this? Guys, you don't need to go ahead and make it complicated, right? Conduct interviews. Go ahead and just talk to people, right? And when I say talk to people, AKA your ideal client. On top of that too, look around in forums. Look in the different places where your ideal client is hanging out, right? And don't just go looking for what you're wanting to see. Go to really understand these people and the problems that they face and what they see as the biggest roadblock from them holding themselves back. Okay. Because if you're able to do this, I know it's not super sexy. It's nothing crazy. If you're able to go and clearly define what do these people want, what do they need, what are the roadblocks, your life is going to become so much easier. You're not guessing what to put inside of the marketing message. You're not guessing on how to formulate your sales pitch. You're not guessing when it comes to actually delivery of giving them the solution that they need to get where they want. So I'm not going to keep this video super long, just straight to the point. Guys, one of the biggest things that is killing your sales, that's killing your marketing, that's killing your delivery, every single aspect of your business is you do not understand your ideal client enough. Now, some people, they come to me and their ego gets in the way. I'm going to be frank with you. Oh no, I understand my ideal client. Okay. When was the last time that you had a full sit down interview with one of your ideal clients? I'm not trying to put words in their mouth, but generally trying to understand, hey, so fill me in, where are you now? Yeah. What do you, where do you want to go? What's the biggest roadblocks that's holding you back from doing that? God, how long has that been stopping you from being able to do it? And when you really sit down and deep dive on all of these different aspects, you'll start getting a similar messaging. And then when you're crafting your marketing, your funnels, your ads, whatever it is, you're going to speak to that problem that your ideal client believes they have, not what you believe they have. Because once again, you need to give people what they want, you need to sell them on what they want and give them what they need. So within it, if you can sell them on they believe this is the thing holding them back, it may or may not be true. Ultimately, you understand that you're going to need to give them what they need and help get them to that path. And when you better understand their needs, wants, and problems in their eyes, it'll make life a lot easier for you. So once again, hopping back here, understand, number one, most important thing, understand your ideal client. Okay. What will this do? It's going to increase your overall product sales, help with marketing when it comes to lead gen, lower cost per lead, so on and so forth. And then delivery, you're actually going to get people more results. Now, to actually do this, my recommendation is just simply talk to the people, right? Whether it be in the form of interviews, whether it be on chat forums, anything like that. And even just kind of look at what people are saying. Obviously, if you can be interacting with it, great. Just look in the background. Like, what do people feel like they're struggling with? And this will dramatically help you in all these areas that I said. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to go ahead and drop a like and a comment below, and we'll see you on the next video.
Hey guys, I wanted to tell you that you are the true coaches and the real students. You made it till the end of the video. Do me a favor, share this with a friend who wants to go to another level. Also, make sure you like the video, comment below so I know who you are, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for the channel as we will be dropping more valuable content every single day. See you soon.